Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I keep on posting a video every year, which isn't very good, but I'm gonna try and change that. And for anyone else that might not already be doing it, you can also follow me on my Instagram where I'm a lot more active, or my TikTok as well where I am also very active. Today's video is going to be very different. What happened is the other day I went to like this warehouse where they sell a bunch of stuff. I was thinking, you know, it would only be clothes, but by my big surprise when I got there, there was actually like this whole section of hair products and just fun things that you can buy for your hair, and obviously everything was super cheap. So I jumped on the occasion and I got this. These are some hot rollers. I don't even know. We're just gonna go ahead and put them on. They're currently sitting right next to me. They're heating up. These are the why am I screaming? Okay. These are the hot rollers. They're currently, oh my god, I'm so sorry for my nails. Oopsies. These are the little pins that you put on your hair when you put them on. There's different sizes, as you can see. It's currently on my bed, which is probably the dumbest thing that you can possibly do. I also have the manual instructions because I just want to make sure that I don't burn down my house. Cute. Use on dry hair only. That's good. They're talking about electrocution, fire, burns. Remove the lid by lifting it straight up. I am freaking out. Okay, so I might need to section my hair. I'm not really sure how I want to section it. I should probably get a hair tie for this. Guys, I am so unprepared. It's actually a joke. I think what I'm gonna do is probably like I'm so how do you do the back? This is what I'm worried about. How on earth? Okay, I'm just gonna, this is not gonna work. What am I doing? No, but wait, if I start from the front, then I might burn my, I'm gonna go for it, and we'll just see what happens. I might just tie this up. I'm gonna start with maybe this little piece here. Which way should I roll it? Oh my god, no. Oh my god, it burns. Maybe I should have gone the other way, because you know, you don't want your curls to go like all weird. Oh, look, it's kind of working already. Okay, I think we've got one here. Is that it? Oh, gosh. All right, well, it's starting, honey. There's no looking back now. I mean, honestly, guys, God knows what this video is going to be. It could literally just be the dumbest thing ever. I really want to have curly hair. I have no idea what I'm doing with these sections. They're obviously too big. I'll probably have to first leave this part. Oh, I've got to be careful. Ah! Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Can we take a moment to look at what I've done? I've completely effed it up. As you can see, I'm just doing this like a 5-year-old. Can you imagine if I remove all these things and my hair just falls off? Like, that would be a disaster. Oh, so badly made. Oh, I've got all the other side to do, guys, and I'm not excited. Putain. I just want to be done with it at this stage. Guys, we're done. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait until they all cool down. And then I'll see you guys for the final result. Oh, ow, it's in my scalp. A little bit complicated in there. Feels like a nest. Okay. Oh, good. Oh, my actual God, it just completely came undone. You have to. Oh my God, it's curly. Wait, I'm so shocked. But quick, I've got to put it back in. Oh my God, I'm taking a hot one. Shit. Guys, this was like a sign of God. It was a preview. It was like when I thought everything was crumbling, he just came and he was like, no, honey, it's going to be good. Now I actually feel like this could actually be a life changer gamer. Whatever that means. Show you guys the back. I don't know if you can see. That back is a disaster. Okay, but honestly, I actually feel like this could be amazing. I'm still waiting for the day my prince will come. Joking, waiting for my hair. It's been in my hair, I think, for like the past 15-20 minutes, even maybe more. And I think I'm just gonna start removing them because they all seem very cold. So I think it's time, and I'm really excited. I'm really scared. Let's see what happens. It's gonna be a big reveal. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no, what is going on? Ew, wait, did it not work? Oh, it did! Just gonna remove them and we'll just have to see like what I don't know if it's what I expected, or you can definitely see the size differences, like how it, oh wait, gotta get in there. There's one here. Oh, there's one here as well. Oh, it's a bit messy. Yep, that's it. Oh gosh. Oh, that one's not coming out though. Ow. Oh, that one was, oh my God, look at that one. Gosh, okay. Oh my God. Let's see that side. Okay. I'm not mad. Oh, this I'm scared of. Oh, great. All right, I've got it's literally the size of my nose. I feel like I was looking for some like Hollywood glamorous curls, and I feel like I'm getting a bit more of like the little princess in the garden type curls. Yeah, I kind of feel like Fifi Brandessier. Does anybody else is getting that vibe of like a little girl eating macaroons? That's literally the vibe I'm getting from this. Definitely got some nice curls. Yeah, this whole middle piece area thing is, I think they're all out. Oh gosh, no, there's still more. Okay. Wow. Guess probably need to play. Oh, wait. Do you see what I'm seeing? Wait. Oh no. Look, I'm not mad. Maybe if I do a little hair flip. I don't want to brush it because I feel like if I brush it, this is when it's gonna, okay, wait. Would probably need to like style it with some stuff. I came to my bathroom to see how it looks so I could have a better view with the mirror. So I think what I'm actually gonna do is I'm probably gonna spray a bit of, you know, I actually feel like the result is a lot nicer than when I use my curling wand, so I'm actually quite pleased. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you think it's a miss, or do you think it's a pass, or do you think it's a clap? I don't know what that means, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm pretty pleased. I think like with a bit of like playing around, it might actually look quite good. But that was it. That was my hot roller video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was pretty random, but I had a lot of fun doing it. If you guys want to see more, of those videos. Make sure to let me know. If you have any ideas of any other video you'd like to see, please do let me know as well. And until then, I'll see you guys on my next video. And yeah, just big kisses to everyone. Stay safe, be nice, and curl your hair.